When diabetes becomes hard to control or leads to serious complications, a pancreas transplant may restore insulin production and offer a new lease on life. In a pancreas transplant, a pancreas is surgically implanted into your body from a healthy donor organ. Surgeons connect blood vessels to restore normal blood sugar regulation and insulin production. After a successful transplant, many patients no longer need regular insulin injections. Blood sugar stabilizes, reducing the risk of long-term diabetes complications, improving energy, quality of life, and freedom from constant monitoring. Pancreas transplant success has improved significantly. Patient survival is over 96% at 1 year, and many programs report survival rates of more than 80% at 5 years. You don't have to visit a transplant center right away to explore your options. Through teleconsultation, you can connect with experienced transplant specialists from the comfort of your home. Review your health condition, ask relevant questions, and get a preliminary evaluation, all online. Through MediGence, you can consult specialists, compare hospitals, request second opinions, and check costs and receive support with travel planning, logistics, and post-surgery care. If you're exploring a pancreas transplant, MediGence can help you take the first step toward a life with better blood sugar control and renewed freedom. A pancreas transplant can restore control and independence. Visit www.medigence.com to begin your journey.